Today I'm going to show you a full face of McoBeauty products. But before I get started, I'm just going to pop my hair back and we're going to start with the first product. The one I'm going to use now is the Flawless Glow. Now this one you can use all over your face, but today I'm just popping it on my high points for that little bit of extra shine. I'm going to go in with the Hydra Glow. This is an oil-free foundation and the shade I have is Natural Tan. So I'm just buffing this in with my Tennille Jai foundation brush. And I'm just making sure I get it all over my entire face, including my eyelids, up over my ears, down my neck and my décolletage, just for a really nice full coverage. Now this is the Contour Wand by McoBeauty. This is in light medium. So I'm just placing it where I want that little bit of extra contour just to enhance my features and give my face that little bit more drama and a bit more warmth as well. And I have done that down my nose too. So just pressing that in using the same brush that I used before, but just pressing that into my skin. Next, I'm going to use the Highlighter Wand by McoBeauty. And I'm placing this where I want that little bit of extra concealer and a bit of extra highlight. Once again, I will use the same brush. Now just press this in and you'll find that it just disappears beautifully into your skin and creates a really nice flawless blend. So carving up there, this helps your cheekbones. Now I've got two shades here of this glow. I was going to use the pink glow and I've ended up with a brighter one, but this has actually worked quite well. Going in with the lighter shade in this makeup palette and I'm carving out the crease on my eye. So I'm placing it right into that socket line and just blending it up and out over my brow bone. Really important that you get it into that socket crease and up into that brow bone. That really helps to open up the eyes. I'm running this underneath my eyeline as well. Just create some shape. Hitting in with the darkest color here. This is a matte shade as well. And I've taken a smaller, more detailed brush and I'm pressing that right into the outer corner of my eye and into that socket as well. But I'm making sure it's directly in that socket. Grabbing the brush that I used before and blending that out. Once again, same on the other side. This creates a real bit of drama to your eye. And I'm blending that right underneath the eyeline as well. So this is a very light shimmer and I'm using my finger and I'm just pressing that into the ball of my eye. So just pressing it in and then I'll go in with my blending brush and just blend out those edges just to create a nice soft line. I decided I'd like to sort of cut that crease a little bit more and deepen it. So I've hit it in with that darker shade and just blending it through the socket line. This just adds that little bit more drama. So using your fluffy brush and just blending that out. I am going to use another product that is an MCO. This is the Youngblood eye pencil in Chestnut. It is my absolute favorite. So I'm just popping that along my lash line and a little bit into the tight line and a little bit under my lash line there as well and blending that out. This is the McoBeauty Xtend Lash Mascara. It is a gorgeous tubular mascara. This is in black. So just sweeping that through my lashes. Now I'm heading into my brows and I'm using the McoBeauty Brow Fill and Set. First of all, we're going to fill in the little gaps in my brows and just create a little bit of color in there. And then I'm going to set them with the other side. And I always like to run through with a spoolie wand to separate those hairs. Same again on the other side. Filling it in with a little bit of color and then setting it with the brow set and brushing them out. I'm using one of the lip and cheek tints by McoBeauty. It is quite a bright color, but I've found that once you sort of blend that in, it comes out really nice. I'm adding a little bit more concealer under the eyes just to really sharpen and clean up that eye area and make it nice and popping. So blending that out and just make sure you set this. This is the Youngblood setting powder and it's the mineral rice powder in translucent. So just setting, getting rid of any of that dewiness. I hope you like it.